79 divided by 7 using partial quotient. Put your 7 on the outside, your 79 on the inside. Use your multiplication facts. We're also going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. First, let's start our first step of divide. We're going to see how many times does 7 can go into 7. So if we have 7 cupcakes and 7 people, everyone would get 1 cupcake because we skip counted 1 time. But that 1 is really worth 10 because we started in the tens place. Now let's multiply. 10 times 7 is 70. Then I'll subtract. 79 minus 70 is 9. Then we're going to repeat back to division. We'll move on to our next place value, which would be our ones place. What's the closest I can get to 9 without going over? Yep, that's 7. We got that by skip counting 1 time, or going 1 times 7 is 7. Then we're going to subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then we'll repeat. But do we have any place values to repeat to? Nope, we already used the ones place. So now we need to check. Is 2 smaller than 7? Yep, so we know that's our remainder. We find our answer by looking right here, which would give us an answer of 11 with a remainder of 2.